Lesson number 11, Directive Principles of State Policy. The Constitution has directed to the state to follow some principles in order to achieve the ideal welfare state. These directive principles are called Directive Principles of State. The governments are accepted keep these principles in view while administrating the state. These are the indicators for the holistic development of India. So why was this important? The directive principles of state policy are the directions given to the central and state governments by the Constitution. It is necessary to adopt these principles while legislating, formulating and implementing the policies. The directive principles of state policy are important in the achieving freedom, equality and the brotherhood and establish the welfare state. So, some directive principles of state policy included in the Constitution are as follows. So, first one, social justice. So, it is achieve the public welfare by the providing social, economic and political justice to all citizens. Second one, social justice to the weaker section. In these rules, to find the remedy against the economic exploitation, providing the education and extend to the free legal aid to the weaker section. Third one, women and child welfare. Fourth one, labor welfare. Fifth one, aid or help to the helpless. It means patient or unemployment. Sixth one, uniform code of law to all, to enforce the uniform civil law to all citizens of India. Seventh one, prohibition of the liquor. It means stop the drinking. Drinking spoils the health. It leads to the financial problem in the family and increase the exploitation of women. So the Constitution has directed all the state governments to enforce the prohibition of the liquor. Eighth one, agriculture and association of the animal husbandry. The state government should make the attempt to the organize agriculture and the animal husbandry in the modern and scientific manner. So ninth one, environment. The protection of environment and the wildlife, protection of the environment from the pollution of the industries and mines and protect of the wildlife. 10th one, protection of the historical monuments. 11th one, international peace and the security. The participation of the country in the safeguarding the international peace and security. The Constitution has given certain advisories and the directions to the state government. In the event of violation of these principles or break the principles, they cannot be questioned in the court. For example, the central government and several other states, the government announced stop drinking for the last 6 decades. It still continue, but no one can question this in a court of law. But we are all respecting these principles and follow these principles for wealth of our state.